Hello, it's Fraser from Bloom Real Estate WA. Today we're going to talk about, are real estate values coming down? And the answer is generally not. So prior to the micro-coronavirus market, we were coming out of a 5-year downturn heading into a positive looking 2020 where we were expecting property values to increase. In February this year, we saw 700 property transactions per week, and that is now currently 280. That's quite a drop. So the question is why? Why are property values generally holding? Well, there's a number of reasons. The first one is that the number of properties coming to market have reduced by 27%, most likely due to potential sellers putting a pause on their selling journey because they're uncertain of what the market's going to bring, and they wouldn't want potential virus carriers in their home. The second reason is that for sale properties, some of them are moving into the for rent market. Now, the rental market was very strong prior to the COVID-19 micro market. There was low vacancy rates, so they've been able to absorb this supply of for sale properties. And thirdly, banks are generally not foreclosing on bad debtors at this point. They're capitalising interest. So that's stopping that flow of supply from banks into the market as well. So to sum that up, we're seeing enough buyers buy from sellers who have to sell. That creates what's called a transactional market. Now REWA, the Real Estate Institute of WA, have got their eye on this, and they're currently advocating to the state government a 25% reduction in stamp duty. And the purpose of this is to keep this transactional market running. They hope that a discounted stamp duty plus historically low interest rates will prompt buyers who are not currently buying into the marketplace. Some other really interesting things that are happening around is that virtual tours, 3D virtual tours, are being viewed 370% more times now than they were prior to the COVID-19, and digital videos are being viewed 96% times more. Corelogic, a data provider to the industries, have put out some interesting information about the purpose of valuations. 70% of all valuations are for refinancing. So that's mums and dads, property owners seeking cheaper, lower interest rates. 20% is for the residential purchasing market. Less than 10% is commercial and construction, and less than 1% is, of course, mortgage in possession. So to sum everything up, prior to the COVID-19 micro market, we were heading into an increasingly stable property market in WA. We're hoping that once the COVID-19 virus subsides and settles down, we'll have another strong real estate market. I trust everyone is well. Look forward to chatting again soon.